Where are you stupid?
What's wrong with you?
Evil people. Eh? Now tell me what's after you. I should tell you what's after me.
Yes.
If I tell you what's after me, you will start running again. Tell me what's after you. What I saw inside there, I don't know whether a python or snake or agwo or eke. Hey! This is a masala. You see it? Evil people. Because ordinary python is after you, you're here shaking. Eh? Every man. Do you know why he's after me? Yesterday, Ichie was running katakata. Eh? Everybody in this village is now running like a masquerade. If I remember you, if I remember this village, this is the beginning of your running. You will be running until you die. You must be running until you die. They call you Ikoro, but you're Ikoro. Let me just tell you. Eh? I'm telling you that these people in this village are not working like village Abasago. La village, and I go like, enjoy the back and one day, one if you could. Even here, if you could, one day, one if you. And I go to the hill and maybe la village. You must be stupid. Why must you be making anything like me to be scared? You must be stupid. Bet yourself like that. Looking at you, you know that's an evil man. Yeah? Looking at you, you know that you're an evil man. Bring my sister. See! Don't worry, I will get you. No problem. Hi, this boy. You know when he insulted me the other day? Leave my sister alone. This one now. I don't know. So call me an evil man. Is it because of this scarf? Should I throw it away? No, now I bought it with my money. I must deal with you. Rubbish.